What is an entremet? It's a layer cake with different flavors, different textures inside. And in France, it's really classic. So today, I'm gonna make a classic French entremet, an exotic vanilla entremet. I'm going to make a cremeux. It's a mix of different types of purees. Here I got passion fruit, coconut and mango, sugar, some egg yolks, vanilla paste. It will round out the flavor. It's going to be really exotic gelatin mix. But the last ingredient, butter. And this will be my insert for the entremet. Cremeux done. In the freezer now. So now I'm going to make a coconut Dacquoise. Shredded coconut, almond powder, sugar, egg white, and ground vanilla beans. I'm gonna add the sugar little by little in my meringue. I'm gonna mix the almond powder with the coconut and the regular sugar. I always add some almond powder in my coconut Dacquoise. Ground vanilla bean from Madagascar. Voilà. Okay, the meringue is ready. It's pretty good. See? Coconut, sugar, and almond powder, little by little. Voilà. So now a little ring with a handle. The right thickness for my coconut Dacquoise. 350 Fahrenheit for about maybe 20-25 minutes. In the freezer to cool it down fast. Now I'm going to use acetate to make the chocolate decoration to put around the entremet. I'm going to use a little stainless steel tool to put the chocolate over the acetate. I'm going to wait a few minutes for the chocolate to set before I cut. So the chocolate now look temper, and I'm cut it. So then I put that around the ring. I put another ring just to make sure that I can hold the first one. And I'm going to put that in a refrigerator for maybe 15 minutes. So now the main mousse, the vanilla mousse. Very light, there is no eggs, no egg yolks. Cream, milk powder, vanilla paste. That's the main flavor of the mousse, so I'm going to put a little spoon of. Now I'm going to whip the whipped cream. And that's going to be a soft whipped cream. And this soft cream will be mixed with the first vanilla cream. So I'm using the whisk at the beginning. Then I finish by using the marise, so it's like a liquid mousse. So now I'm ready to put that in the rings. Mousse is going in the corner. Cremeux, I have the coconut puree, passion fruit, mango. And it's going to freeze pretty fast because the ring is already pretty cold. And we just close with the coconut Dacquoise. And it back into the freezer. So now I can glaze. I'm glazing the outline first. In the freezer for a few minutes. The yuzu, passion fruit and clear ivory colored chocolate. I'm going to put some ground vanilla bean in the chocolate. Just a little bit. Look at that. Each time I open the box, it smells so good. Mix the ground vanilla bean into the chocolate, tempered chocolate. Voila. So, I'm going to use a little bit. Et là, see, we cannot make too close to each other. Voilà. In the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Voilà. With one piece of chocolate, I got 2 circles for the entremet. So it's a little bit delicate because you know you have a little bit of flexibility, if I can say that. Not much. A little bit, it's enough. Alors normally, you leave this way longer to crystallize. So then they get very shiny. I made a frame of silicone to include the vanilla bean into the sugar, inside the sugar. That's something I always wanted to do, I never did it. Today is the day. I'm gonna pour a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more on top. Interesting way of presenting the vanilla. I hope you enjoy my version of a classic entremet. It's gonna be delicious. Bon appétit et régalez-vous! Vanilla paste will round out the flavor. Ground vanilla bean from Madagascar. Voilà. Smells so good. Tahitian Gold was my best kept secret until now. Oh my goodness.